So hello and welcome back to another brand new video. So in this video I am going to tell you how to make this YouTube banner like Scout OP. So watch video up to the end and don't miss any part, because if you will miss any part you will not able to make this banner. So please watch video from starting to ending, and also if you want a thumbnail tutorial please comment down to let me know. So let's begin without wastage of any time. First of all, open pixellab and select the image size of YouTube channel banner. After that, add YouTube channel banner size PNG, which you can get on Google easily. Zoom it to its highest size. Then lock this layer, because if we do not lock, it changes its position many times. After that, add this domination map background and put this layer in downside of the PNG. Also lock the layer. After this, add some smoke effect PNG, which you can also get on Google easily. Adjust this according to your need and put this also in the downside of the PNG. Reduce its opacity up to 43%. Here you need to add some vignette, which you can get on Google. Change its color to red. Adjust its size according to the screen, which can fit on the screen. And reduce its opacity to 30 to 40%. Duplicate this layer and crop it and change its side. Then merge this both layer from the layer option. Tick here and merge here. Put this downside of the PNG. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Open BG eraser and crop your character here. I am using Scout Pick, and to use Scout Pick, please remove its background. You can use any character, but don't forget to remove its background. After erasing, save at the level 5 to get smooth edges. Add the Scout character, which we have recently saved to our device. Remember to keep this peak middle of the PNG, because if you will not keep in the middle of PNG, your text will look weird. So for that, use grid tool to place in the middle of the PNG. the PNG to 30 to 40% to get a blackish effect. Now add your channel name here. I am adding here scout text. So font, you should select a pretty one. I am using meme font here. It is available in the pixellab default texts. Take the font size up to the 62, not more than 62. And give the spacing up to the 21, not more than 21 because it will look so far away from each other. Align the text in the middle of the PNG as we align the character also. So to align the text in the middle, we should use the grid tool. Now duplicate the text which we have written first and keep it here. Now add a shape over the text which we have kept there. And give the shape black color. Now bring the scout text over the black shape. And now merge both layers. Now use erase tool and erase the blackish part of the text. And now give some stroke, not more than 2 or 3. Now again add the shape, but now this shape should be accurate to the before shape. Give it black color. Now bring the text layer over the shape. Now again merge these both layers. Now use erase tool and erase the blackish part of the text. Place this text as the before text as it is. And now the first text which we have made, that text should be downside of the character, means keep the first text layer downside of the character layer. As you can see, it looks very cool. Now add some lightning PNG which you can easily get on the Google or any website. After setting your lightning PNG, keep this lightning PNG layer downside of the first PNG layer. As you can see, the square is appearing near our scout text. So for that, crop the PNG which we have made by adding the shapes. As you can see, text position is changed. For that, again take to the same position which we have kept before. Now add some PNG which you can get on Google easily. Make this color white. Now add some text Scout OP. Now editing on pixellab is over. Move to the Adobe Lightroom. Simply copy the preset which I have given link in the description. Now see the before and after image of our banner.